Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will show you how to enable spell checking and autocorrect in Notepad on Windows 11 if you frequently use Notepad to take notes or draft texts. Enabling spell checking and autocorrect can save you time and ensure that your work is error-free. These features are especially useful for quickly detecting typos and automatically correcting small errors as you type, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. To start, open Notepad on your computer. Type Notepad in the search bar and press Enter to open it. In Notepad, click on the Settings icon or gear icon in the upper right corner. Then scroll down to the Spelling section. Enable the Spell Check option. Additionally, you can turn on spell checking for all available formats in the drop-down menu. Also turn on the autocorrect toggle switch to automatically correct misspelled words. After enabling spell check and autocorrect features, Notepad will start checking for spelling errors and correcting them automatically. Let me show you how to use the autocorrect feature in Notepad. Write some content in Notepad. You will notice that the misspelled words are underlined in red, and some of them may be corrected automatically as you type. Right-click on any underlined word to view suggestions or add it to your custom dictionary. Or, if the word is underlined in red and you are sure that it is correct, right-click on it and select Spell Check and select Ignore. To prevent Notepad from repeatedly marking the word as incorrect, right-click on the word and select Spell Check, Add to Dictionary. And that's it on how to enable spelling and autocorrect in Notepad on Windows 11. This simple feature can help you work faster and with fewer errors, whether you're writing notes, formulating ideas, or working on projects. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.